So hello everyone and welcome to another important video. Today we have a significant update for Declaration of Helsinki. Declaration of Helsinki is one of the most significant policy that guides medical ethics around the world. Recently in October 2024 there have been significant amendment to the Declaration of Helsinki. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get the updates quickly and know about the recent events in the world of clinical research and medical history. Without further ado, let's start. So first and foremost, let us start by understanding what exactly is Declaration of Helsinki, because a lot of people confuse this with Belmont Report. So Declaration of Helsinki is nothing but a set of ethical principles for medical research that involves human subject. So whatever experimentation are to be done or performed on human, so there is a ethical guideline that guides the entire medical community when it comes to medical research which involves the human subject. So that is Declaration of Helsinki. This Declaration of Helsinki was developed by the World Medical Association in the year 1964, which is a landmark event. And this particular document, that is Declaration of Helsinki, is considered as the most important document or reference when it comes to medical research ethics. Now, what comprises of Declaration of Helsinki? So there are some significant principles which determine the role of medical ethics when it comes to medical research involving human participant. The first of which would be to protecting the life, health, privacy as well as dignity of the research subject, that is human beings. Second would be to ensure that the medical research is based on scientific principles and knowledge, as well as combining the medical research along with medical care, and the medical research should justify the potential value of research performed on human subjects. Last but not the least, whenever the medical research is conducted, so the testing has to have some benefits, risk and effectiveness when it comes to new intervention that are proven to be effective in human subjects. So if you understand the gist of this guideline, it protects the ethics of the study participants, the human study volunteers, when it comes to medical research. Now, this Declaration of Helsinki has been amended 6 times, and the latest amendment before October 2024 was in the year 2013. Okay, so after 2013, we have this latest amendment. So it is a significant amendment. Let us find out what exactly are the important updates in this amendment. Now, the most important update in this particular amendment is the patient-centric research design. Now, whenever you conduct any kind of medical research, it is very important to recognize the patient as an active participant. Before, previously they were considered as a passive partner who were participating in medical research. Now, with this updated Declaration of Helsinki, the World Medical Association has recognized the patients, the human subject, as an active partner in the research process, as well as the decisions of their research or the procedure to conduct the research would be taken with them rather than for them. And this 2024 revision is a dynamic approach when it comes to incorporating the patients in medical research, as well as whenever you design a medical research protocol, so there you have to also think about the subjects aspect, the human aspect also. And this particular patient centric research design will ensure that the clinical trials or the medical research is conducted are not only scientifically sound, but also they serve to the benefit of the research subject, as well as they are designed in a way which keeps the patient at the center of the research. Okay, so the patient centric research design is one of the most significant update, and it also recognizes the active participation of the subject in medical research. The next important update is the global equality in research. Okay, what do you mean by global equity? Now, as you know that with rapid globalization, the clinical trials are conducted at every corner of the world, and for advancing medical sciences we have to ensure that all the people of all the age, gender, race, community should have an equitable distribution when it comes to benefit of the medical research. Okay, as well as the protection of vulnerable population. So by this amendment, the declaration has now emphasized the need to ensure that this particular research study or the medical research is accessible to all population regardless of the geography as well as economic status. Now this is one of the most important recognition, and by ensuring global equity in research, they have also ensured that this particular research is shared across the globe to every participant who is interested in participating. And they have also recognized that low income or marginalized community who do not get access to such treatment are in participation of this research efforts. Okay, so not only patient centric approach, but the global equity is also come into research, and that has been recognized by the World Medical Association. The next significant update would be the enhanced data protection and privacy protection. Okay, so when it comes to medical research, as you know that all the systems are going digital now, and with each system going digital, we have to protect the data of the subject, especially the medical data, because medical data is one of the most critical aspect when it comes to data of a person. And with the rise of digital health technology, this particular data privacy and data protection has been one of the pivotal aspect of the data protection laws. And this 2024 revision to the Declaration of Helsinki also recognizes that how the data is collected, stored, and use of this particular patient data, particularly in the cross-border research collaboration where the global trials are conducted and participants are globally involved in the study. Okay, so we have to also protect the research data, the medical data of the subject participating, and that is one of the most significant or advanced aspect when it comes to the amendment in this guideline. And now since the patient are more willing to share their data, so it is very important for us or for the World Medical Association to ensure that data is handled appropriately and there is a transparency in the process. And by ensuring that the amendment clearly mention the enhanced effort to privacy protection, it has put a new guideline and new aim to build trust between researchers and participant and ensure that that particular data of the subject has been protected, and there is a recognition by law to protect the participant data. Okay, so these are one of the most significant update to the Declaration of Helsinki. Now coming on to the gist of the guidelines, so we can say that this particular guideline, the 2024 Declaration of Helsinki, is again a new era of patient-centric research where they have recognized the current challenges in patient medical research, as well as they have updated the guidelines to ensure that the patient is at the center of medical research, and we take all the efforts to ensure that his right, safety, and well-being is maintained. And this 2024 revision is that pivotal shift. And through these update, they have reinforced the involvement of patient as active contributors, and it also helps to strengthen the protection of global equity as well as data privacy. This particular update also helps us to align the evolving landscape of medical science, digital health, and global research collaboration. The next aspect would be that through the scope of medical research that we have expanded, and it also encompasses the digital health also. So previously only we ensured on medical research, but now digital health, cross-border collaboration, and diversity has been added into this particular Declaration of Helsinki, and this clearly marks the evolution of the guidelines to address the new ethical concern, the new age order. Okay, and finally, this particular update will definitely help in building the legacy of Declaration of Helsinki, and these critical updates will definitely reflect the changing nature of global health and medical research, and to ensure that we have stronger laws, stronger obligation to ensure that the subject privacy and medical ethics are protected. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If we were able to help you, so please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and stay updated for such amazing video. Thank you.